So I'm doing this try and hack me challenge, right, where it's custom tools using Python, right? So now the thing is here, we need to log in to this web page that they have over here using this code here. Thankfully we have the username, right, but we just need to launch this Python script. Now the thing is, I know nothing about Python scripts, but I can try and understand how to do the questions over here. So the questions are, what is one of the renowned Python libraries used to send HTTP requests to interact with web applications and analyze responses? So now, usually for try and hack me, since it's like a guide and a step-by-step way of solving the rooms, and you can see here that it is an easy room. So if I'm struggling with an easy room, you know, right? So let's see here. So what is the flag value after logging in as admin? You can customize the code to iterate between 1200 and 1250. So thankfully we already have the username, and in order to get the flag and pass this question, we need to change the numbers between 1200 and 1250. I'm not gonna take the hint because the hint will give you a hint on how to solve it, but I'll probably take it for the next one because I can already see that this is gonna be a problem. Okay, okay, so let's do this. So I'm just gonna copy this, then I'm gonna go to my virtual box, then I'm gonna click on my terminal, then okay, now we need to create the script. So we're gonna name it nano brute force.py to show it's a Python file. Enter, then right click, paste, and there we have it. So we have our code, but they did say that it should be between 1200 and 1250. So they say customize it, the code to iterate between 1200 and, oh my head, okay, wait. So I'm guessing for range we change it this from 1 200 comma 1 250, which is what they wanted, right? So then we control X, then Y to accept yes. We want to write this in, then press enter. Then we use Python 3 dot brute force, no, not dot, brute force dot py. It should launch the script, and there we have it. So now it's attempting every combination possible for the admin's password. So while we wait, log in, it should give us our first flag, and bam, there we have our first flag. Copy, right click, paste, check. Here's how we complete that second question. And then the next question, you can attempt to log in as Mark, whose password follows a specific pattern. His password consists of first 3 characters as digits 0 to 99 followed by a single uppercase letter AZ. What is the flag value? Key areas in the code. So the target URL, because here they explain the code. So the target is the URL. Then the generating password lets it creates a list of 4 numeric passwords 099 using Python z4 function. If you need to iterate over characters, you can use string ACII uppercase for AZ and string ASCII for lowercase. This is carried out through the code password list, string for I in range, 1000 using the brute force function. So we're just gonna say brute force.py. So what we need to do is we need to change this part over here so it also gives letters. Now how the hell do we do that now? Yeah, okay, nah, let's just ask this bro. Yeah, okay. Where do I put this into the following code? Should be this one here, right? How long has I been recording for, bro? 24 minutes. So import string result plus letter. Oh my word, I can do that. Plus letter for I in range for letter in string uppercase. What? There we go. Let's go. 3 digits. This is gonna take forever. Maybe the hint can help us. So the hint you're looking for is triple ones, then something alphabetical. So I am guessing that it should be, just cancel this. So the range is from 1000. Oh wait, what if I do this, comma, make the range like this, because they say it should be triple digits then 1000. So this should be faster, right? Um um if we put 0111. Cause it thing is gonna take too long. I know for sure it's gonna take too long. Okay, now it's just starting from. Oh, I fixed this. We made it start from 120 to 150. How do we do that? Okay, let me just. Okay, wait. What if I do this? What? Okay, that does not work. So let me put this. Nah. No. No, that does not work at all also. So what am I going to do, guys? It's just attempting from 0, bruh. Okay, wait. Because when we alter it from 1200 to 1250. Wait, what if I do this instead? Zero, so 110 to 1000. So yes. Okay, so the thing is, he said triple digits, so it should show now afterwards the last one, and then we should have the last flag. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Check. Even though I use the hint there, I can't flex on it as well. So the next one would be developing vulnerability scanner, but I'll end this video right here. So let me know if you want more content like this. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe or follow if this is on TikTok. Peace out.